you're new to this wig life and you just want to try something new without the hassle of having to pay a crazy amount of money to get a wig installed, or you just want to switch up your look but you don't know where to start or what to do or what even to get, I have the perfect wig for you.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything real need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, we are back with another wig install from no other than HAIRVIVI. Also, I am a little under the weather, so my voice does sound a little raspy and hoarse right now. So if it chips in and out, just bear with me, please. We're just gonna do like a really quick unboxing video. What comes in the box with your wig is a thank you card linked with all of their social media information and also a discount code for your next purchase from them. They also provide you with additional information if ever you run into any issues with your wig. You have their email here on this card. So let's say they did send you the wrong wig by mistake, or just the wig is not what you expected. All you have to do is email them and you will have a response within less than 24 hours. They also provide you with a few clips and also a brush to lay those edges. This wig on their website is called the Sierra wig. I got mine in a 20-inch. This is what the inside of your wig looks like. That brown piece of lace that you guys are seeing, this is what they call the fake scalp, which means no wig cap is needed. Unless you do have really thick hair like I do, then I will still need to go ahead and wear one. You also have the combs on the inside of your wig for extra security. And with this unit, they do provide you with a piano key elastic band. You also have the drawstrings in the back, but what I like about the elastic band is that you're able to adjust it to your comfort level. And especially being that your wig is completely glueless, this does come in really handy. The wig itself does come with the hairline pre-plucked for you. It has the clean bleach knots. The hairline itself on this unit is just like a really pretty clean hairline. And me personally, I would suggest not adding any baby hairs to this unit. I feel like it's just not needed, and this wig will look so much better without any baby hairs. First thing that I'm doing is just sliding my wig cap a little further back. And as you guys can see, the wig cap is actually not needed just because of that fake scalp that they apply to your unit. I'm seeing right now, but do you guys see this hairline on this wig? And this is like straight out of the box. I have not even touched the hair. I have not done anything. All I simply did was pull the wig onto my head, and look how beautiful this looks, you guys. Like, I'm actually amazed. Like, HAIRVIVI, they do it every single time for me, and I will continuously repeat this. They have, honestly, you guys, some of the best wigs that I've ever tried. Wigs that literally has lasted me for years, and this is no cap. I'm not getting paid to say any of this, but their wigs have literally lasted me years. Guys, this is pretty much what the wig is given straight out of the box. Also, I'm not too sure what hair texture exactly this is. It does remind me a lot of like a water wave texture, but it could also be that they curl it up to look like this. I'm not too sure, but the hair is extremely silky, extremely soft. It does have like a really nice shine to it, as you guys can see through the camera. It looks absolutely beautiful and it feels amazing. It also has like a really sweet rosy scent to it, so I'm really liking that. But yeah, this is pretty much what the wig is looking like straight out of the box, you guys. This wig only requires 3 easy steps to get that perfect glueless install. Step number 1 is trying on your wig, making sure that it fits your head correctly. If your wig does feel loose and you do want a more snug fit, I would suggest going ahead and adjusting the adjustable straps that's attached to the back of your wig. Step number 2 is cutting off all of that excess lace. Not sure if I mentioned this or not, but this is their HD lace, and as you guys can see, it's a super fine and thin lace. Looking at this lace against my skin tone, it is like the perfect color. And their lace does come in a multicolor, so you do have the option on their website to choose which lace color is more suitable for your skin tone. Look how good this lace looks sitting against my skin tone. Like, it looks absolutely melted, and you guys, there's no products. This is just me applying the lace against my skin. Okay, let's zoom in really quickly and show you guys what I'm talking about. It's definitely given melted, it's given skin, it's given the lace is bomb. After cutting off all that lace, this is what my wig is now looking like. I did not have a hot comb, so I opted to just use some mousse. Yeah, completely forgot my hot comb at my mom's house. So I used some curling mousse and just added it to the area, well, where that side part is. That's where I kind of like wanted to just flatten down a tad, but I felt like it was a little bumpy in a way, so yeah. I did not have to add any extra products to the unit itself. The hair actually came looking as shiny as it is. It looks like they added some sort of oil to it or like a serum. Or maybe that's just how the hair looks like in its natural state. I'm not sure, but I did not have to go in and add any products. I did not have to style the hair or do anything at all to this hair. This wig is definitely a beginner-friendly wig, and there's absolutely no work required with this wig. 3 easy steps. You put on the wig, you cut the lace, and you go. That is it. There is literally no work required. The wig comes with all the work done for you. All you have to do is throw it on, cut that lace, and you're done. That is it. And me personally, I do prefer this type of hair texture just because I don't have to do any styling at all, and I don't really have to like touch the hair. The hair itself, there's no shedding. The hair smells absolutely amazing. Like I said, it does have like a really sweet rosy scent to it. I don't know if they sprayed products on it or what it was, but it does smell really nice.
And this is how easy it is to wear your wig from HAIRVIVI in just 3 easy steps. All you have to do is throw on your wig, cut that lace off, and your wig is ready to be worn. You guys, this look is so flawless. I'm actually really loving this curl pattern, and not to mention that the wig is like completely glueless, so I did not have to do any work at all. This is definitely a wig for like wig dummies, especially if you do not know anything, like not the slightest clue of how to like install a wig. This is definitely a wig for you. The only thing you need to know how to do is cut the lace of a wig. And let me just turn around really quickly and show you guys what the back of the wig is looking like. So this is what the hair is looking like from the back. As you guys can see, super soft, super silky, extremely nice. You guys definitely need this wig. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Like, comment, share. If I do have a discount code for you guys, that will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're watching